Think you know the cosmos? Many of the facts repeated in schools, memes, and even movies are flat out wrong. No, seasons aren't caused by how close Earth is to the sun. No, the moon's phases are in Earth's shadow, and the sun isn't a tiny yellow ball quietly burning gas. Tonight on VibeVerse, debunk the biggest astronomy misconceptions still fooling smart people and replace them with the real physics of our sky. Astronomy is both intuitive and deceptive. The sky looks simple, but our brains love shortcuts that break under scrutiny. Misconceptions persist because diagrams are oversimplified, words like elliptical get misinterpreted, and everyday experience misleads us about scale. In this episode, each myth will be framed by what it claims, why it's wrong, and the clear, visual way to understand what's true so you can explain it to anyone. Fact 1. Seasons happen because Earth is closer to the sun in summer. Why people believe it? Textbooks draw Earth's orbit as a stretched oval, implying big distance changes. What's true? Earth's orbit is nearly circular. The northern and southern hemispheres have opposite seasons at the same time. Seasons are caused by Earth's 23.5 axial tilt changing sunlight angle and day length, not distance. A tilted hemisphere gets more direct sunlight and longer days warmer. The opposite hemisphere gets shallower sunlight and shorter days colder. Fact 2. The moon's phases are Earth's shadow. Why people believe it? Eclipses look like shadows on the moon, so phases must be the same. What's true? Phases are the moon's day-night line moving as it orbits Earth. We see different fractions of the sunlit hemisphere. Earth's shadow only causes a lunar eclipse during precise Sun-Earth-Moon alignment. Phases happen monthly. Eclipses are rare. Fact 3. The moon only appears at night. Why people believe it? Cultural images show the moon with stars and darkness. What's true? The moon is visible in daytime during many phases when it's above the horizon and sufficiently far from the sun in the sky. Daytime moons are common around first and last quarter. Fact 4. The moon doesn't rotate. That's why we see one face. Why people believe it? We always see the same side, so it must not spin. What's true? The moon rotates once on its axis in about the same time it orbits Earth 27.3 days. This synchronous rotation keeps the same hemisphere facing us. If it didn't rotate, we'd eventually see all sides. Fact 5. There's a permanent dark side of the moon. Why people believe it? The far side sounds like it never gets sunlight. What's true? The far side is just the hemisphere we can't see from Earth. Both near and far sides get day and night. Only during a full moon is our side fully lit while the far side is dark, and vice versa at new moon. Fact 6. The sun is yellow and quietly burning. Why people believe it? Cartoons show a yellow sun. Burning sounds like fire. It doesn't burn chemically, it fuses hydrogen into helium in a plasma, releasing energy via nuclear fusion. Fact 7. Day and night are caused by the sun going around Earth. Why people believe it? The sun appears to move across the sky. What's true? Earth rotates once every 24 hours. The ground under you turns into and out of sunlight, creating day and night. The sun doesn't orbit Earth daily. Fact 8. Noon means the sun is directly overhead. Why people believe it? High noon in culture suggests peak overhead sun. What's true? The sun is overhead at noon only within the tropics and only on specific dates. Elsewhere, the sun's maximum altitude varies with season and latitude. Local clock noon doesn't always equal solar noon. Fact 9. Mercury is the hottest planet because it's closest to the sun. Why people believe it? Closer should mean hotter. What's true? Venus is hotter because its dense CO2 atmosphere traps heat via a runaway greenhouse effect, producing surface temperatures hotter than Mercury. Fact 10. Saturn is the only planet with rings. Why people believe it? Saturn's rings are dramatic and famous. What's true? Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have ring systems, though fainter and harder to see. Fact 11. Meteors are falling stars. Why people believe it? The term shooting star. What's true? Meteors are tiny bits of rock or metal heating and glowing as they streak through Earth's atmosphere. Actual stars are distant suns. They are not falling. Meteorites are the fragments that reach the ground. Fact 12. Comet tails trail behind the comet's motion. Why people believe it? Tails look like motion blur. What's true? Comet tails point away from the sun due to solar radiation pressure and the solar wind. A comet moving outbound can have a tail that points roughly sunward relative to its path. Fact 13. The asteroid belt is densely packed and hazardous to cross. Why people believe it? Movies show ships dodging rocks. What's true? The belt is mostly empty space. Spacecraft routinely pass through without damage. Asteroids are separated by vast distances. Fact 14. Constellations are physical groups of nearby stars. Why people believe it? The shapes look like connected figures. What's true? Constellations are line-of-sight patterns. Their stars are often at very different distances and not physically related. Fact 15. Stars and constellations stay in the same place forever. Why people believe it? Patterns seem fixed over a lifetime. What's true? Stars move. Our short lives hide slow celestial changes. Fact 16. The sun rises exactly east and sets exactly west every day. Why people believe it? Compasses and maps use east-west lines. What's true? Exact east and west sunrises or sunsets occur only at equinoxes. Through the year, sunrise and sunset points slide north-south along the horizon. Fact 17. Earth is much closer to the sun in summer. Why people believe it? Elliptical is misread as stretched. What's true? Earth is actually closest perihelion around early January and farthest aphelion around early July. Seasons are tilt-driven, not distance-driven. Fact 18. Solar eclipses are omens. Don't look or you'll go blind. Why people believe it? Ancient myths and viral warnings. What's true? Eclipses are predictable alignments. Viewing the sun without proper filters is dangerous anytime, including during partial phases, but with ISO-certified eclipse viewers or projection methods, eclipses are safely observable. Fact 19. Planets can't be seen with the naked eye. Why people believe it? Planets are assumed tiny and far. What's true? Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, and sometimes Mercury are visible without telescopes and often outshine most stars. They don't twinkle as much and follow the ecliptic. Fact 20. The solar system is crowded like in sci-fi. Why people believe it? Visuals compress scale. Even within planetary systems, average distances dwarf object sizes. Realistic scale models leave vast gaps. Clear visuals to use in video tilt versus distance show Earth's axis, sunlight angles, and day length bars across seasons. Phases versus eclipse, a lamp sun, ball moon, and your head Earth to demonstrate phases and rare eclipse alignment. Venus versus Mercury heat, side-by-side greenhouse diagram, comet tail direction, sun at left, comet path turning around the sun, tail always pointing away, east-west at equinoxes only, horizon diagram with sunrise points drifting through seasons. The sky doesn't lie, but our shortcuts do. Seasons come from tilt, not distance. Phases come from geometry, not Earth's shadow. The sun is a white fusion star. Comets' tails are solar wind weather vanes. And the crowded solar system is mostly emptiness. The good news? Anyone can learn the real rules of the sky with a few clean models and a curious mind. If this busted a myth you held, tell us which one and what you want debunked next. Like, share, and subscribe to VibeVerse for more cinematic science. Comment, debunk, for a printable skimeth cheat sheet and a backyard demo guide you can shoot today.